Hello friends, today I am going to teach you about best keyword research tool in the world. It we called Google Trends. So if you are new to YouTube, you are making video for YouTube. So you should know how people are searching. What is the searching of people in the world? Depend every country you can search by country wise, you can search by category wise, and you can search by everything. It's like maybe what's your category you are looking for something, you can search in past hour, past day, past 4 hour, past 7 days, past month, past 12 months, past year, past 2 year, past 5 year. Everything you can search what they are, that item and that topics are trending or not. Some trend topics are there, sometimes not trending, people are not searching, but we are creating the videos for that topic, so we not getting any views. That's why we can find easily. So how is the people are searching for what we are. Example, I am searching for now Google Trends. So if there is people not searching for Google Trends, no use for making my video. That's an example. So let me start how to work that. This is free tool, everyone can use this one. So first you have to go to this Google search bar, then you type here Google Trends. I already type here Google, but I will search you, tell you how to type this Google Trends. Okay, this Google Trends. Then when you got this one Google Trends, you can click this Google Trends. If on the phone this normal search bar is not working, just go to Chrome beta and use the web desktop mode. Okay, so is this kind of, this is the Google Trends website. So I will tell you from here how to use that, so please stay with me. I will tell you everything about, and it is very easy to use you, and it's very helpful. You can get many views and you can get many subscribers because you are doing and you are creating for searchable videos. Then let me start. Okay friends, this is the Google Trend interface, or you can find like this Google Trend interface. So first you have to do, this is the search tool. I will explain you before also. This is the search tool. We can find everything about people are searching for. You can see here on the top there explore what the world is searching. Yeah, that is the truth, because we can find what the people are searching for. Different kind of cities, different kind of countries, different kind of people, different kind of categories. So we can find it here. So I will tell you now how to start. First you have to do, you can see here search bar. Okay, what do you want to search him for? You have to search here. Example, I will tell the keyword. Okay, I will tell the keyword. I type here keyword because everywhere looking for now in this, you are someone using this video, they are looking for especially keyword. So I type here keyword. Okay, then they started searching. You can see here this, there is some data. Okay, is some data, but we have to change this one. How to, I will tell you how to change. You can see here in this here, this first they are written United Arab Emirates. Okay, or this is the Arab country. I am here in Dubai, but I have to change this one. You can change here every country. Okay, starting from Afghanistan. Okay, then every country we can find here. If you are looking for maybe you, this video you looking from India, maybe from Sri Lanka, maybe from Nepal or any another country, maybe Europe country, everywhere, maybe Australia, any country. If you are looking for your country, for your language, you have to change your country, or you can change worldwide also. This worldwide mean everywhere in the world. Okay, so I change it worldwide. You can find the here data, very high data, and continues from this past 12 months. Okay, I will tell you, I will change you this one. You can see here past 5 years also. I put on past 5 years. You can see that, you can see now here. This is the very smart. You can see here past 5 years is going top, mean searching more people, everything, everywhere, every day, every hour, every second, they are searching for keyword. You can find here easily. But I will tell you another thing. You can change what you are looking for is categorized. You can see here art and entertainment, auto, vehicle, beauty and fitness. You can change everything, business, finance, food and drink, everything you can change here as you like. So I will put it all categorized. Okay, I'll put it all categorized. Then you can change here. You can see this web search. So I will change this to this special thing is there is one tab for us Google YouTube creator. So this is YouTube search. I'll put it in YouTube search. Okay, you can see the keyword here that also going very high. So because this is past 5 years, so I will change. We can search from past hour also. Past hour mean in this last hour. Now here you can see the time here 12:05 p.m. mean 12:05 the day. Okay, so I put here past hour. Okay, you can see past hour also. This worldwide they are searching for this keyword. So then go to the little bit down like this. Okay, now you can see which countries are searching for this keyword. You can see here first Kenya, this past hour they are searching from Kenya, then Nepal, France, United States, Indonesia. Okay, then you can find here some topic also. You can see here static keyword in Java. Okay, so someone looking for Java keyword, this is the keyword. This is past hour. Okay, so then I change it to past 4 hour. It means past hour mean from 8 morning to now 12. You can see the data is increasing data. Then you can find here. Let's change the country. St. Helena, Hong Kong, Pakistan, Laos, Kenya. They are looking for that keyword. You can see some keyword is here. Okay, and there is also related topics: data, sales, Gmail, technology, writing. You can see the all is breaking out. Okay, breakout means there is changing. This keyword JavaScript, load keyword, how to do keyword research. You can see here. Now you can see the best example here, how to do keyword research. Also people they don't know how to search for keyword, that's why they are searching for this is the kind of keyword, how to do keyword research. Okay, if you are creator for food, kind of food, okay, like a kitchen video, food video, cooking video, I will put here cooking. Okay, I just type here cooking, then going to search. You can hear this is a red color, this is the blue color for keyword, red color for cooking. You can see the data for cooking is very high. Always people are searching for this is the past 4 hour. Okay, now I will change it to past hour. Now you can see the difference in past hour also, how many people are searching for cooking and how many people are searching for this blue line for keyword. Okay, so this is the very high topics for keyword in cooking section. So you can see from France they are looking for keyword cooking means this red color. You can see the red color is a very big amount and blue color is very small amount. Kenya also, Nepal also, United States also, they are looking for everything about cooking. So this is the very good for cooking. You can see the related queries, keyword research. Okay, so there is looking for keyword. Now you can see the keyword, some keyword, special keyword here. Cooking with SROS. I don't know about what is the meaning SROS. Someone who cooking, they know what's the cooking SROS. Okay, then Guriya Ki Dunya, this from Nepal I think. Yeah, cooking channels on YouTube. Traditional me, cooking with hell. Okay, so this pasta recipe, cooking with Nisha, I think Nisha. Yeah, Vlogman with cooking woman. Okay, cooking recipe Pakistani, great dress and cooking. So this is the example for this keyword. Then I will just change to past 4 hour. Okay, let's just change past 4 hour. So now you can find here, change the country also, Pakistan, Japan, New Zealand. These all really good countries. They are looking for keyword. If someone using just in your language, so it's better you making video for English language. Okay, so it's very better for you. This is Craft Tamil channel, home cooking Tamil. Okay, this is for Tamil videos. Cooking Malayalam, Craft Tamil, village food. You can see how many biryani cooking, Omasai cooking class. But you can see there is no about keyword. Keyword is here. Okay, keyword related it's here. Because it is showing blue color for keyword, red color for cooking. Don't forget this everything. When you can find here 5 keyword here. I check it vehicle. Okay, vehicle. I search it for vehicle. This vehicle coming is yellow color. You can hear yellow color line here is on the down, hooking on the high. Now I change, you can see vehicle number, SC, owner details. Okay, now jack vehicle tracking, vehicle drawing, electric, like that. So we can change, we can get the real keyword. Means now this time the people are searching for another keyword. I will search here about YouTube. Okay, YouTube. You have to search here what you are looking for. We can find 5 topics. Okay, you can compare 5 topics. You can see YouTube. I type YouTube. YouTube is the highest. You can see YouTube is highest, more than cooking. So I will tell you now about YouTube keywords. You can see web series on YouTube, Mr. Vandaka YouTube channel, YouTube was TikTok. You see, Sonia my YouTube channel, Proud Baby Saura YouTube channel. Is all about YouTube channels. But you can find anything about YouTube. Maybe a lot of people, they are not looking for YouTube, but YouTube channel, they are looking for YouTube channel, not for YouTube videos. So you can find here anything. Maybe I type here mobile. So I just type here mobile. You can see mobile is the top now, more than YouTube. Now what the people are looking for, this type. PUBG mobile. You see PUBG mobile, PUBG, how to connect mobile to TV, how to update PUBG mobile. This is the people are searching for. How to install PUBG mobile photography. What they are looking for now in this past 4 hours. Then I change this to past hour. If you are looking for to create a video, so this is a really important for you, understandable, very easy to use. Now you can see this past hour mean in the last hour. Okay, I mean now 12 time. This is from 11 to 12. Okay, so you can understand easily. This kind of video, if we are making for in 5-10 minutes, you can get also views. Keyword research for keyword, village food secret. You can see the about food. This about vehicle. I already searched that before. This about YouTube Joker, YouTube Got Talent. Then say YouTube most watched videos on YouTube. You can see the related videos, related queries here. You can see I put here mobile phone, Minecraft, then gain mobile, Black Desert mobile, how to fix plug-in PUBG mobiles. Okay, Mobile Legends ban live, PUBG new car. This all are looking for PUBG. So this kind of search you can find anything, everything about here. This is the about keyword plan. This is very easy. There is nothing more than here. So this is very easy for new YouTubers. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please connect with me if you